Midnight Rain ukulele lesson from the album Midnights by Taylor Swift. She gave us one without needing to adjust any sort of stuff. We have no capo, and it's the four chords. It's the four chords. Like and subscribe, okay? F is your first chord, 2010. And if you need help reading the numbers, there's an Instagram post in the comment section I hope you will check out. And then follow me there for more stuff. C0003. G0232. And then A minor 2000. Down, 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 C down, down, up, down, down, G down, down, up, down, down, A minor, down, up, down, back to F. That's it. If you need any help, let me know. Shoot me a comment down below. While you're here, like and subscribe. Check out some other videos so that I can survive. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.